na po, wala na. Hindi naman po napag-anihan dahil sa dala nung tag-araw, hindi po gumaganda yung usbong, hindi po makababunga. Diyos ko, hirap. Kung may tubig ito, malinis na malinis po. Ngayon po, wala na.
Ay, napakahirap pag hindi ka makapagtatanim pag ganito kainit. Marami kang uubusin pera dyan. Tubig, ang problema. Tubig ka ng tubig, ayaw namang umusad. Ito mo nga ang lupa. Bitak-bitak. Samot-samot, patola, pakuwan, kamates. Patay na, ala na. Ayan na, oh, ang lalaki, oh. Sobrang luwang na, oh.
The Department of Agriculture has reported devastation in terms of cost. It's 3.94 billion pesos, but that may change within the day or within the week. That's equivalent to about 66,000 hectares of affected land. It's very difficult because it's unpredictable. As I mentioned, as I used the example of temperature, you can't find a solution to that. Obviously, if a surface water source, if a dam dries up, you can create artificial rain, but that will not be sufficient to bring back the level of water in the surface water and the dam to sufficient levels. So that's a great challenge. That's why we're hoping that El Nino continues to weaken, to dissipate, and hopefully by the end of May, we as a country can say, and we can come out of this and say that we weathered the worst of El Nino.